Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders. This is Abdurrahman from FXAlTareeq.com, and here is what's on my Forex radar this May the 4th, 2016. We begin today with the Aussie dollar daily chart, and you can see here from the bank rate change, it dropped yesterday dramatically around 240 pips. But the good news is that it did stop at this 74.97 daily support and resistance line. So we're looking for, you can see the congestion here and in this area here and somewhat over here. Probably looking for a nice bullish candle from henceforth to push back up from the retracement from yesterday's candle. Aussie Swissy is doing the exact same thing, holding at the 71.37 support and resistance line. So today we look for a potential bullish candle to show us the retracement and a potential buy sale off of the Aussie Swissy. Euro CAD, like what I'm seeing here, but I don't like this here. It didn't for me to trade these double whammies and to get a feel for what's going on. A height of 1.4679, 46.54. I would have loved to have seen the stops taken out off of that particular candle and then a drop down. But we'll wait and see if this is going to be a double top or a moolah trade potential setup here, or even a potential Acapulco and showing us a buy trade as well on this one. Just to show you the euro dollar, I don't like this this candle here, because this is not a kangaroo tail. It would have been nice if it had been a little bit higher here and with a tail up here, breaching my support and resistance at the 1.16 at 1622. It is not the largest candle in the last 5 to 10 candles, so not a good looking candle from what I can see in this regard. But the highs up here have been rejected, so it is a point of analysis. You might just see some more retracement up here again, and then a breach of the 1.1622, and then a fall down. But just want to wait and see on that one. The Euro New Zealand trade in which we were in yesterday, we hit target 1 for 301 pips. We are waiting for the at this point we're waiting for the employment data coming out of New Zealand to see where we stand with hitting target number 2 for approximately 494 pip trade on this one as well. So wait and hold. I've moved my stops to break even plus 10 off of the Euro New Zealand. Euro Aussie also looking for a potential Acapulco trade, and seeing where this is going, potential Acapulco, or is it going to go up to these levels here, respect the box and then fall back down? Another wait and see. On the watch list, the Euro Aussie. Great Britain dollar. We did have a Pogo trade that was canceled because it took out the stops here, but look what happened when this particular trade. Rejection of these highs, which the Pogo was to show and do, and now you have this this bend type candle that's sitting here, and it looks like the Pogo might be back in play if you wanted to trade this again. But let's wait and see what happens with the euro dollar. I like the potential confirmation here from the Pogo trade, but we'll wait and see with this one. I like this particular setup. Not a kangaroo tail. It would be traded as a bend trade now, which is also good for us. Wait and see if I want to send this trade out with you guys in your off our Twitter feeds. The New Zealand Kiwi, another one of those, didn't quite break the take out the stops here. It went up there and stopped, and then it bounced back down. Will it come back down to this level, these levels here, and then bounce right back up again. It seems to have hold magically. You can see there's a magic support and resistance line right here, guys. Bam, 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 and then maybe come down here and then bounce back off again. That's what it's looking at. I don't like the risk reward on this particular trade, no matter how you crunch it, but just wanted to show you that, again, you don't have to trade everything that you potentially see. I don't like the risk reward on this particular trade. US Japan holding again at the 105.97 level. Not interested into a trade at this particular moment, but it's still holding. US CAD, interesting, a big shadow trade which printed here at the 1.2468 level. Like what I'm saying there. US Swissy, another kangaroo tail. Let's see something. 107. Yep, a kangaroo tail which printed off of a weekly support and resistance line. Like what I'm seeing here. Look for a potential trade on this one as well. And also an Acapulco forming on the Great Britain Swissy. You've seen a lot of trades here, guys. A lot of trades. I'll let you know which ones I'm going to trade on Wednesday. With that said, you guys have a magnificent day on purpose. One second. Just moving back to the blog. For those of you who did trade that, here is the blog post for the Euro New Zealand hit 300 pips. You can find that at FXAlTareeq.com/FX form. Here's the link for this up here. You guys have a magnificent day on purpose, and I'll talk with you soon.